I've handled a few torches like this in my day, and let me tell you a little bit about this one, because this is your portable soldering torch. It's got the on-off, of course, for how much pressure you want the gas to come through. Everything is really high quality. Look at this here. Really high quality tip as well. You can replace the tip if need be, which is nice to know. Some of these portable torches would all come in one single unit. So I like the fact that I can replace the torch really quickly. So there you go. And let me show you exactly how it works. So this is what it is. Right here, if you have a little welding job, if you need to start a fire, if you need to take ice off of, like during winter time, there's a lot of pipes that are getting frozen over. This works incredibly. And check this out. So easy, so powerful, 13,000 BTUs. Check this out. Incredible. I'll show it to you even here like this. You'll see it even better. Look at that flame. It's a beauty. And I love the fact that it also has an automatic on-off, which means if I press that down, it will, I mean, of course you have to be very careful, but it will keep on at. So if you've got a bigger job, if you are bending steel, if you are heating up something before you start banging on it, this thing is awesome. And connects to any LPG really quickly. And yeah, it's super light, even with the bottle on, and very easy to handle. I'm a big fan, and it's really well made.